Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ovi's Culture. Today I'll be taking you on how to do this Canadian smoking, the braids pattern. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget also to press your notification bell. In case I upload a new video, you will be notified. Keep watching. This is the fabric we'll be using for this tutorial. It's a doll face, you can see. So we'll be measuring what 1 inch each, just the way I explained in my previous tutorial. What we need for this tutorial is our doll face, our ruler, chalk, your measuring tape, your matching thread, and what hand needle. Let's get started. You can see I've drawn our lines and I've also numbered it. I use what 1 inch in each what box. You can see, so you do that all through. 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch. So just make sure it's equal. Use what 1 inch all through till the end. So I'll be teaching you how to draw our lines now before using our hand needle to what sew. Okay, this is our first row. Now we'll be drawing our what lines. You can see what I'm doing now. You skip a box. I told you we'll be drawing our lines. This is the first line. You skip a box, draw the second one, skip a box, just like that till you what get to the end for the first what row. Then the second row, you skip the first box. Your lines will be facing this side. You can see it now. Skip a box to face what this side, the opposite of this line. Then you what you continue till you get to the end. Then the third line, you will just skip the third row, and you continue from the fourth row. You repeat column 1 in column 4, just like this. You can see it. Then the fifth row, you repeat column what 2 in the fifth row. Your lines will be facing this side. You can see it. Then you skip what column what 6. Then you repeat column 1 in column 7. So this is how we complete it. Then column 8, you repeat column 2 in column 8. So I'll complete it now and show you how to use our thread and needle to complete it. I'll do that now and show you what next to do. You can see I completed my lines. So we'll be using our thread and needle now to tack them. So we'll be starting with line 1, column 1. So you take a point from here where you have your diagonal line. Then you take the other point. You can see what I'm doing. You take a point from here. Then you take the other point. You can see. Then you you tack. You secure it with you secure by tacking it together. Tack it very well so it won't lose. So you cut. You can see what I just did. Then after that, you go to column 2. You go to column 2, this particular line here. You go to column 2, this line. This is column 2. You can see I told you we skip a box. You go to the next line. You start from here, then take this. You can see. Then you bring them together with your thread then you secure You will repeat this process all through till you what complete the whole boxes. You can see column 1, you take the first line, then column 2, then you go back again to column 1. This is the next line in column 1. You can see. Then you take a point, then you take the other point. You can see. Then you what? You tack. See what I just did? You tack to secure it, make sure it's tight. Okay, it's very easy. You cut. So I told you, you go to column 2, you take a point, take the next point, okay, then you what? Secure them together with your thread. You secure. Do it like 4 to 5 times. Then you what? Cut. Then you go back again to what? Column 1. You go back again to column 1. You take a point. Take the next point. Then you what? Secure it with your thread by tacking. You can see. Okay. You tack. Then you cut. I told you column 1, column 2. We are going back to column 2 again. You can see. It's very easy. Take a point. Then we are going back to column 2 again. You can see. You take a point. You take another point. Then you what? Secure it with your thread. This is it. You are going to repeat the same process all through. When we are done with column 1 and column 2, then you go over to column, we skipped column 3 completely. You go over to column 4, then 5, 4, 5, till we are through. So I will do it now. I will cover the whole boxes and show you what they look. You can see I'm done with what? Column 1 and column 2. I told you we are going to skip the whole what? Column 3. We are going to skip the whole what? Column 3. Then we are going now to column 4. You can see this column 4. You repeat the same process just like we did in column 1 and 2. You take a point, then take the next point. You can see. Can see. Then you what? Secure it together like this. Secure it together like this. Secure it together like this. Then you secure it together like this. Then you what? You cut. I told you column 4. So now you are going to column 5. Then what? Next. So we are going to column 5 now. You skip the first box, you move to the second box. I told you when you take column 4, go to column 5. Take column 4, go to column 5. Just like that. So this is column 5 now. Our first what? Diagonal line. Then you what? Bring them together. Like this. Then you will secure it. you secure it just like this. It's very easy. This, we call this what? The braid what? Pattern. Then you go over again to column 4. The next what? Line in column 4. You take a point. Take another point. You can see what I'm doing now. Then you what? Bring them together like this. Then you secure. Okay. Then you go over again to what? To column 5. The next line. You take a point. Take the next point. You can see. Then you what? You secure. You can see it. So I'll complete it now and show you the look. Okay. Complete it now and show you what? The look. So we are done with our Canada smoking, the braid pattern. This is the back of it. So I will show you the front now. It's very easy. This is the back. This is the front view of our Canada smoking, the braids pattern. You can see it. This is it. It's very easy. You can see. So I'll be fixing it now to our gown and show you the look. This is the result of our Canada smoking, the braid pattern. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.